Ah, sailing in San Francisco. Looks so peaceful, right? Don't be foolish. These winds are forces to be reckoned with. Because the San Francisco Bay almost always has these strong winds, it makes the bay a thrilling place for sailing races. That's why the America's Cup race will be held here in 2013. Let's explore where these winds come from and why they're so crazy. Even though we can't see it, right off the shore of San Francisco is a popular place for air molecules to hang out. During the day, the sun comes out and warms our planet. It turns out that the land gets warmer much faster than the ocean, so California's Central Valley becomes much warmer than the San Francisco Bay Area, since the bay has a lot of ocean water to keep it cool. When the air molecules in the Central Valley get hot, they spread out so they have lots of space between them. The crowded cold molecules over the ocean want to spread out like the molecules above the land, so the air over the ocean travels to the land in search of more room. This movement of air is the wind that we feel in the bay. People even call it a sea breeze because the wind is coming from the sea. As the sea breeze travels across the bay, it has to flow around obstacles such as Angel Island and Alcatraz. Let's look at how winds around these islands will affect a sailboat. The green boat is demonstrating sailing in the open ocean, and the blue boat is demonstrating sailing along the backside of an island. You can see the island covering the fan for the blue boat. So let's start the races. You can tell that the blue boat is moving slower than the green boat. Want to know why? When wind hits an island, it has to move around the island and spread out. Because there are no strong forces to bring the wind back to its original path, the wind is weaker on the backside of the island. That is why the blue boat is moving so slow. So here we are in the San Francisco Bay. Let's look at Angel Island today. You see behind Angel Island, there is a section of glassy water right behind the mountain. And that's because the winds are not reaching the backside of the island. Looking at this simulation of the San Francisco Bay winds, we see streams of high wind through the Golden Gate. We call these winds gap flows because the winds are forced to go through a narrow passage. The gap flow, the consistent sea breeze, and the interesting terrain are what make the SF Bay such an exciting place to sail.